we made it to Belize. We're currently in the rental car, so we got a Jeep Wrangler for, you know, the couple days. So we're only renting it for the rainforest. So yeah, currently in the Jeep Wrangler. It's a white hardtop one, so bougie. We love that. The guys at the car rental place were like, "You girls are driving in style." I was like, "Yes, sir, you know." So yeah, Belize is beautiful so far. Super hot, super humid. Kind of living for it though. Palm trees are my aesthetic, and they're everywhere. Sabah's currently going around the vehicle taking pictures to make sure like nothing, we don't get like charged for like damage if something happens to the vehicle. So, you know, doing that. But yeah, everyone here is super friendly. We had to go through customs, which is like annoying, but you know, whatever. So yeah, it's a good time here in Belize. Yeah, thriving. So next thing that we're gonna do now that we're in Belize, so we're currently in Belize City, but we're starting off our trip in San Ignacio. So that's like our rainforest portion of the trip. So we're gonna go drive there. So we'll stay tuned. Guys, we finally made it to our resort. It's pretty freaking sick. Let me give you a tour.
Do you come with me? Do you come with me? Do you come with me?
So it's Belize day 2. So this morning we went for a bird tour, and I'm gonna put in some clips from that. So we got up at 6 a.m. and literally went and we're looking for birds. So we saw parrots, we saw howler monkeys, we saw a toucan. You know, it was a good time. Right now, Sabah and I are about to go drive like 2.5 hours to a waterfall. It's called like Maya something waterfall. So we're gonna go to that, and we're just gonna like swim in like the watering hole because we didn't feel like hiking because we hiked a lot this morning. So we didn't want to have to go and hike again to get to a waterfall. So this is the only waterfall, or one of the only ones, that you don't have to hike to. Like you can literally just pull up and then there's a waterfall to just swim in. So we're gonna go do that. So today Sabah and I went into the rainforest yet again, but today we went tubing in a cave, and it was so cool. I didn't really know what to expect, so I was kind of nervous actually. But yeah, we actually had to like hike through the rainforest and stuff. I have like the weirdest tan lines from today, which I don't really know why, but we're just gonna go with it. So yeah, today was really sick. I'm gonna insert some clips, and yeah. Today was crazy. So Sabah and I started off at the Mayan ruins, and that was sick. We climbed to the top, and I'm gonna obviously insert some video footage. So guys, we're currently visiting the Mayan ruins. An hour and a half to this monkey sanctuary. It's a baboon sanctuary. I think it's a monkey sanctuary. So we actually got to play with howler monkeys, and it was not guaranteed that that would happen, but it did. So they came up to us and played with us because we brought banana. Well, the guide had bananas. Also, every single tour we've been on has been like a private tour because I don't know, there's no one else here, I guess. So Sabah and I really lucked out. So that was amazing. Like, who gets to play with monkeys? Like, that was everything. Rainforest as much as I did. I loved the jungle, the rainforest. It was everything to me. Like, it was so cool to get to go hiking and see all these different things and all these different creatures. And I'm not really an outdoorsy girl, but I guess I am now. Like, that was so sick. So sick. I never thought I'd appreciate termites and ants, you know? It was so cool. So yeah, really enjoyed the rainforest. I can't wait for the beach. But right now, we're getting gas and dropping off the rental car, and then we're gonna go get a water taxi to head over to San Pedro, and then we're gonna stay there a couple days, and yeah, then we're gonna go to Kikaker. So now we're just gonna go to the beaches. So we did our jungle exploration, but now we're gonna get into that beach life, so get ready.
I want to feel that you want it. I want to feel by the morning. I want to feel that you want it. Oh, let me feel what you are.
So guys, we're in a golf cart. We just rented one, and today we're gonna go to Secret Beach, and then we're gonna go get coffee and like food and stuff too. So yeah, this golf cart rental, pretty lit.
And then crashes, waves over the ashes, hills washed up in violet.
Cool. That's the only way to get your signature up there.
Seriously?
Okay. Yes. Yeah. Oh no, this isn't tequila. This is Viper rum. Pineapple and sugar. Hey. Stir it up. Make sure you get some vitamin S.
Yeah.
See some floaters in there.
Yeah, really. Little scale floaters.
Go. Hey, now get the pineapple. Put it inside the sugar. Now what you want to do is get lots of sugar on it, because you're going to suck the sugar off, leave it on your tongue, take the shot, and then eat the pineapple, okay? Okay. So, suck, shoot, eat. Welcome to the family. You are officially in the Give it up.
Yeah!
Free
What up guys, today is snorkeling day. Today we're gonna go snorkel with manatees, sea turtles, sharks, stingrays, manta rays. I'm nervous, I've never snorkeled before, and I'm also kind of bad at swimming, so yeah, pray for this.
Flashes on matches, splashes of action, sink in the mattress. Tell me that you want it.
So guys, we just got back from snorkeling and now we're going to dinner. We obviously showered and stuff. I survived. It was kind of a struggle. I had to get rescued. Also got super sunburned, but it's fine. Yeah, the sun's setting right now. We're gonna go get dinner and yeah.
Those will be the best memories. I just wanna